morning, students. Today I am going to continue the chapter Natural Resources, Land, Soil and Water. In previous video I explained to you about water, that water is one of the vital, renewable, natural resources on earth. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Most of the water of the earth is in oceans. The ocean water is saline, that is salty in taste or salty in nature. Only 2.7% of the total water is fresh water. Fresh water is very precious resource for us. Now today I will explain you about natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife are interrelated and both are interdependent on each other for existence and survival in the biosphere. Biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. This interrelated and interdependent life supporting system is called ecosystem. Now, what is the importance of natural vegetation? Natural vegetation provides us with many things, like it provides a home to many animals and birds. It absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. It do not allow wind and sand to blow or wash the soil, hold the water in the subsoil. It increases moisture in the air. It provides timber and other essential products from the forest. Now, what is the importance of wildlife? Wildlife is an important component of our environment because it maintains a balance in our environment. Wildlife provides us with various benefits, like bats are the major agents of pollination and dispersal seed. Without them, many crops fail because they play such an important role in ecosystem. Then bees for just about every vegetable, flowers and fruits around. They are crucial terrestrial group and we could face mass starvation without them. Without fungi, we could not have gardens, houses or even trees. It was fungi that first allowed plants to move out of the oceans onto land by stabilizing the symbolic relationship that still exists today. From this, we come to understand that wildlife plays a very important role in maintaining the ecosystem of the earth. Now, distribution of natural vegetation. The growth of vegetation depends on moisture and temperature. So, the natural vegetation can be classified according to various regions like forest, grassland and tundra. Now forest, what is forest? Forests are found in a heavy rainfall area. In the forest region, the rainfall is very heavy and the tree is green and dense. Forest is further classified into two parts, that is evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Now what is evergreen forest? These forest trees do not shed their leaves at a particular time in a year. Evergreen forests are found in tropical regions that get plenty of sunshine and rainfall. Deciduous forest. These forests, trees of deciduous shed their leaves at a particular time in a year. Deciduous forests are found in subtropical regions that get moderate sunshine and rainfall. Grassland. In this region, trees and grasses are shortly stunted. The moderate rainfall, short stunted grasses and trees grows in this land, which makes it grassland. In this region, plants have deep roots to take water from deep in the ground. Plants have a waxy surface that reduces the loss of moisture by transpiration. Now tundra. This region is found in the cold polar regions. It comprises mosses and lynches. The vegetation of tundra is low, growing and consists mainly of grasses, dwarf shrubs, wildflowers, mosses and lichens. Here the climate is cold and windy and rainfall is scant. Now conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Forest is our wealth and plays an essential role in our lives. Factors such as soil erosion, construction activities, forest fires and landslides are the causing extinction of forest and wildlife. Poaching is another concern which is leading to the extinction of valuable wildlife. By conserving wildlife, the natural vegetation, we ensure that future generation can enjoy our natural world and the incredible species that live within it. To help protect wildlife, it is important to understand how species interact with their ecosystems and how they are affected by environmental and human influences. It is very important to conserve forest and wildlife resources. Now, wild conservation. Today, the pollution and human activities poses the greatest threat to wildlife. Huge damage has been done by cutting off tree hunters, collectors, illegal trading, etc. conserve wildlife, an organization called Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, established. It is an international agreement between governments. It protects endangered plants and animals. Also, they prohibited the products made from endangered wildlife. Now you have to write question and answer in your fair copy. What are soil horizons? What is soil conservation? What are the factors responsible for the shortage of fresh water? From which material soil is made up?